Accelerated Math Objective 113. Convert between customary units of length using fractional amounts. Alright, the first thing we need to remember when we convert any unit, that when we go from small units and we convert to larger units, we divide. And if we're going from large units and we're converting them into smaller units, we multiply. So for example, if we're going from inches into feet, inches are smaller than feet. Or if we're going from feet into yards, feet are smaller than yards, and vice versa. If we're changing yards into feet, we multiply. Yards would be bigger than feet. Alright. In example 20 it says how many feet are in 80 inches? So we're going from feet to inches. So since we're going, we know inches. So we're going from inches, which are smaller, into feet, which are larger. So we're going to divide. Now we need to make sure we know what to divide by. Okay, we know that there are 12 inches in a foot. We know there are 36 inches in 1 yard. We know there are 3 feet. In 1 yard. And other conversions such as feet into miles, yards into miles would also go along with this lesson. Alright, so we need to ask ourselves, how many inches are in 1 foot? Well, there are 12 inches in 1 foot, so we are going to divide by 12. 12 can go into 80. Let's see here. 6 times, I believe. 6 times 2 would be 12. Carry our 1. We would subtract, and we would get remainder 8. Alright, we need to make this into a fraction because none of our answers show a whole number with a remainder. So, to make this into a fraction, we take our 8, and the remainder becomes our numerator. 12 becomes our denominator. And we have 6 and 8/12. But 6 and 8/12 is not represented, so we have to divide and reduce or simplify our fraction. So we're going to divide by 4. That would be the greatest common factor of 8 and 12. 8 divided by 4 would be 2. 12 divided by 4 would be 3. We would have 6 and 2/3. Answer D.